This visualization shows the objective of the Annapurna Bandar scheme, a direct transfer of 3,000 rupees flowing into your bank account every single month. For eligible women in West Bengal, this program provides steady, recurring financial support. But receiving these funds requires navigating a strict bureaucratic filter. A single data error or misstep during registration leads the system to reject the application entirely. To prevent that, we are going to map out the exact registration sequence. We will start by verifying your eligibility, then gather the specific documents required, and finally walk through the digital portal step by step. For those who prefer to handle the process in person, we will also outline the complete physical offline pathway to get your documents submitted. By the end of this breakdown, you will know how to transform a complex list of government requirements into a verifiable submission that is ready for state review. First, the eligibility matrix. This diagram represents the 4 parameters the state checks. First, age. The applicant must be a woman between 25 and 60. She must also be a West Bengal resident, a non-taxpayer, and not receiving a government salary or pension. If you meet those 4 criteria, the next step is gathering the physical evidence required to prove your status, starting with identity. Your Aadhaar card acts as the primary demographic and address anchor. The name and address on this card must be current. Next, the voter ID card provides localized proof. This document confirms your residency within West Bengal. To establish where the funds will be sent, you need an active bank account passbook. This provides the necessary details for the monthly credit. You will also need an official income certificate to verify your status as a non-taxpayer, along with recent passport-size photographs. Finally, keep an active mobile number ready. You will use this number to receive the OTP required for account verification. Take a moment to review these documents together. A mismatch between the name on your Aadhaar card and the system's data triggers an automatic rejection before an official ever reviews the file. With documents ready, move to the digital portal. This mock-up highlights the correct West Bengal state government URL structure, crucial to avoid fraudulent sites. The initial step requires you to enter your mobile number. You will receive a one-time password, which you must input to create a secure account. Once inside, you enter the data entry phase. You must transcribe your personal details exactly as they appear on your physical documents. Pay close attention to the Aadhaar and bank account fields. A single typo in these rows routes the approved funds into a void, making them impossible to retrieve. Next, you upload digital scans of your documents. Ensure each file is clear and fits the format constraints specified on the portal. Run through a final review. Check every spelling and every digit one last time before hitting the Submit button. A successful submission results in this confirmation screen, which displays your application reference number. Securing this specific alphanumeric code is your objective in this phase. Without it, the application is not recorded in the state's digital records. For those without digital access, the state manages a physical intake network through the Nibbana Secretariat. Applicants in rural areas can use block development offices or the scheduled Dwari Sarkar camps, which bring government registration services directly to local neighborhoods. In urban areas, the process is handled through municipal ward offices, such as the Kolkata Municipal Corporation. The protocol for offline centers requires you to present your original documents for verification while submitting self-attested photocopies for the file. Whether data is sent digitally or handed over in person, the requirement for accurate proof remains the same. If these steps were followed accurately, you are now registered and hold a trackable status. This flowchart shows the final mechanism. Once an application is marked verified, the state uses a direct benefit transfer protocol to wire the 3,000 rupees directly to your bank account. If the system rejects an application, an SMS will detail the precise error, which allows you to correct the information and resubmit. To monitor these updates, keep your reference number in a safe place so you can check the portal for status changes. Adhering strictly to these operational guidelines ensures that the registration process is finalized so the monthly financial support can begin.